Hello, I'm Brad Exton with FASS Fuel Systems. I'm here with a good friend of mine, Chad, and delivering one of our first trucks built by FASS Motorsports in collaboration with top tier suspension. Zane Brockseeker, he's a co-owner with me of top tier suspension, and Zane built an awesome truck.
Oh, it's
Beautiful. I mean, the detail in this truck. I mean, from the rims. I mean, they're two-tone. The color of the truck carrying through to the backside with the gray matching the trim up here is just awesome. And the suspension, Kibbetech suspension components on here, and it's just a beautiful truck, and you'll love it. And one of the things I like about selling it to my friend here, and I'd sell it to anyone, is that it's been protected by FASS Fuel Systems. So that injection system, that's, you know, I forgot what the PSI is on these things, but 40,000 PSI is being totally protected by our system, and there's an extra set of filters in there, but I'm doubling the price on the next set of filters, so he's getting a great special.
That's a steal. That's a steal. Deal.
So, all right.
Appreciate it.
And thank you. And thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you for all the hard work you put in it. She's a beauty.
I like it. You'll love it.